How to fix Roblox. Please perform a Windows clean boot. Uninstall problematic Windows updates. If you're using a Windows Insider build or recently updated Windows, a specific update may cause this error. Go to Settings, Windows Update, Update History, and find the latest update and install it if Roblox started crashing after this update. Press Windows R, then type misconfig and hit enter. In the System's Configuration tab, go to the Service tab and then check Hide All Microsoft Services, then click Disable All. Go to Startup tab and click Open Task Manager, Disable All Startup Items, then restart your PC. You can also visit graphics card driver, visit your GPU's manufacturer's website, and download the latest drivers. Disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, go to Settings, System, Display Graphics, Default Graphic Settings, and then turn off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Then restart your PC. Clean, reinstall Roblox, uninstall Roblox via Settings, then delete leftover files by pressing Windows plus R. Type %temp%, then delete all files in that folder. Download the latest Roblox installer from the official site and reinstall. Then close background apps. Use the task manager to end unnecessary background processes that may interfere with Roblox. The tip is, if this issue persists, check for further Windows or Roblox updates and reconsider reaching out to Roblox support for specialized help. Subscribe.